Let's get straight to the point. Number 8, the single blade safety razor. Stop paying $25 for a pack of GigaShave cartridges with 7 blades and a vibrating handle. Your face isn't an overgrown lawn that needs a tractor, it's a delicate ecosystem of skin and follicles. These multi-blade monsters perform a lift and cut maneuver that is basically biological warfare. The first blade yanks the hair up, and the next 6 slice it off below the surface, guaranteeing you a lifetime of painful ingrown hairs and razor burn that makes you look like you lost a fight with a caffeinated house cat. Those tiny gaps between the blades are a 5-star resort for staph bacteria and dead skin that you're rubbing into your pores every single morning. A metal safety razor uses blades that cost 10 cents and provides a precision shave without the trauma. It's the difference between a master's scalpel and trying to groom yourself with a cheese grater. This hunk of steel will outlast the sun, while your plastic handle ends up in a landfill. Save your money and your face, you corporate lemming.
Number 7, the cast iron skillet. You could spend $200 on a hex-patterned, diamond-infused pan that starts peeling its toxic coating into your eggs in 6 months. Or you could buy a $20 hunk of raw iron. These fancy modern pans are just science experiments gone wrong. Once that space-age surface gets a tiny scratch, it begins releasing forever chemicals directly into your bloodstream. You aren't just making breakfast, you're microdosing industrial waste. Cast iron is the only kitchen gear that actually gets better the more you use it. It's all about the seasoning, a layer of polymerized oil that creates a natural non-stick barrier. Scientifically, cast iron has massive thermal mass, meaning it stays hot, searing your steak like a pro instead of steaming it like a sad cafeteria worker. It goes from the stovetop to the oven to a campfire. If you drop a designer pan, you've wasted a car payment. If you drop this, the only thing breaking is your floor. It's a heavy, indestructible weapon of destruction. Stop buying trash.
Number 6, white vinegar and baking soda. The cleaning aisle is a graveyard of $8 bottles. You've got Fresh Forest for your sink and Lemon Zing for your toilet. It's a chemical cocktail of marketing lies designed to drain your wallet. You are paying for 90% water and artificial perfumes that make your home smell like a sterile hospital. Here is the basic chemistry you ignored. A giant jug of white vinegar and baking soda costs $4 and can clean 90% of your house. White vinegar has acetic acid, a natural solvent that eats through mineral deposits like a hungry piranha. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that scrubs surfaces without scratching. When you mix them, the reaction releases carbon dioxide gas, physically lifting grime out of crevices. It's nature's original deep clean. Stop huffing floral death chemicals. You are paying companies to poison your air when the solution is in your pantry for pennies. It's effective and doesn't require a hazmat suit. Wake up and smell the vinegar. It's the scent of intelligence.
Number 5, wired headphones. Wireless earbuds are tiny, expensive, ticking time bombs designed to ruin your afternoon. You spent $300 on Pro Buds just to lose one or have the battery die mid-flight. Let's talk about the Bluetooth pairing dance. You stand there like a glitching robot, toggling settings, while your phone acts like it's never met your headphones. It's a massive headache for a worse product. Scientifically speaking, Bluetooth compresses your audio, stripping away the richness. Plus, lithium-ion batteries are destined to fail. In 2 years, your expensive gadgets will be paperweights. A cheap pair of wired buds never needs a wall outlet, has 0 latency, and if you drop one, it's still attached to your device. Being tethered is actually freedom from battery anxiety. You don't need a smart chip to listen to music, you just need a cable that works. These provide a direct, uncompressed signal without finicky protocols. They are reliable and sound better than your ultra-wireless trash. Stop charging another device. Number 4, bar soap. You are literally paying $10 for a plastic bottle of expensive water and calling it a luxury experience. Your fancy body wash is 90% tap water mixed with synthetic chemicals and enough fragrance to choke a horse. It's a marketing scam designed to clutter your shower with neon-colored bottles of radioactive sludge. Let's talk about those exfoliating microbeads. Scientifically, those aren't magical pearls. They are tiny pieces of plastic that bypass filtration and end up in the ocean. You are scrubbing your body with environmental poison. Bar soap is the original concentrated powerhouse. It's just soap. It lasts 3 times longer because you aren't pouring half the bottle down the drain. It doesn't need a massive plastic tomb that will sit in a landfill for 5 centuries. It's the ultimate zero-waste life hack that gets you clean without unnecessary additives. Stop falling for liquid gold traps. A simple bar is cheaper, more effective, and doesn't require a chemistry degree to read the label.
Number 3. A library card. We are in the peak era of subscription fatigue, and you're the primary victim. You're bleeding cash, paying $15 for ebooks and $12 for audiobooks just to feel smart. You're essentially paying a clueless tax. Enter the library card, the ultimate legal cheat code for life you've ignored since the 3rd grade. This plastic is a weapon against corporate greed. Libraries have evolved. They have apps now, granting instant ebook access. Scientifically, reading physical books or e-ink reduces blue light exposure that nukes your melatonin, helping you sleep instead of doom scrolling. It is the only place left where you can walk in, take stuff, and the staff will actually smile. You're funding this with taxes, so use it. Stop letting tech giants harvest your credit card for premium access to stories sitting 3 blocks away for free. It's the most powerful tool in your wallet and costs $0. Be a genius for once. It is the ultimate life hack.
Number 2. Old t-shirt rags. Look at you in the cleaning aisle, considering $20 for a pack of ultra-absorbent microfiber cloths. You think those neon squares are a cleaning revolution? They're just synthetic polyester traps that shed microplastics every time they touch water. You are literally sending plastic shards into the ocean every time you wash them. Science proves these high-tech fibers can scratch delicate surfaces over time. Instead, reach into your closet and grab that holy mustard-stained concert t-shirt from 2012. That is the real MVP. 100% cotton is a natural polymer with incredible capillary action. That's the physics of soaking up liquids for those who failed middle school. It's softer than a cloud and more absorbent than a corporate tax loophole. It's free and already paid its dues at a mediocre show. Now it's ready to save your counter. When it gets filthy, just toss it in the wash. You're saving the planet from paper towel waste and keeping your bank account from bleeding out over premium rags. You're giving that free pizza shirt a second career as a grime-fighting legend. Stop paying for trash you already own. It's the most logical move you've made all year. Your wallet will thank you for using your brain instead of your credit card.
Number 1. The manual can opener. Look at your kitchen counter, occupied by a bulky electric monstrosity that needs a dedicated outlet just to perform a task a child could handle. These are a monument to human laziness and a solution looking for a problem. You're paying $50 for a plastic brick that eventually gets its gears gunked up with crusty tomato paste until it dies. It's a mechanical tragedy. Scientifically, those smart sensors are just points of failure in a system that doesn't need them. Enter the $5 manual twist opener, a masterpiece of engineering. It uses a simple gear-driven cutting wheel to apply pressure, slicing steel with 0 electricity. It works during a power outage, fits in a tiny drawer, and doesn't need a firmware update to find the lid. It is fail-proof physics. You don't need a motor to open beans, you just need a handle and basic grip strength. Stop cluttering your life with gadgets that require a plug for things your ancestors did with a sharp rock. It's simple, mechanical, and immortal. Stop being a corporate puppet and smash that like button.
Subscribe and hit the bell because we drop truth bombs daily. Share this with someone who loves burning money on fancy trash. I'm Coolest Dude Explains. Use your brain for once. See you tomorrow.